What if I told you there are 5 hidden settings inside MetaTrader 5 that top traders use every day, but almost no one talks about? If you're not using these secret features, you're handing your money straight to the market. Stay with me. I'm about to reveal how you can trade faster, smarter, and safer. By the end of this video, you'll know the hidden tactics professionals swear by. Hey traders, welcome back to Broker Check. I'm June, and today I'm pulling back the curtain on the hidden secrets of MetaTrader 5. Whether you're new or experienced, these powerful tips will instantly upgrade your trading performance. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Tip 1, one-click trading. Have you ever missed out on a perfect trade because you hesitated just a split second too long? Imagine if you could execute trades at lightning speed, faster than your competition. With the hidden one-click trading feature in MetaTrader 5, you'll never miss a crucial trade again. Here's the secret. Head into Tools, Options, Trade tab. Check the box for one-click trading and confirm. Now experience the thrill as your trades execute instantly. No second guessing, no hesitation. You've just taken your trading speed from ordinary to extraordinary. Tip 2, chart templates. Ever wonder how pro traders spot opportunities at a glance while you're stuck deciphering cluttered charts? Here's the truth. Clarity equals confidence. Let's unlock that secret. Right-click your chart, select Properties. Clear the noise, remove distracting grid lines, customize colors, and highlight patterns. Add your favorite customized indicators, whether it's moving averages, RSI, or custom tools, and fine-tune them to your exact strategy. Save your masterpiece as a template for instant clarity every single time. With a crystal clear setup and all your customized indicators in place, you won't just see the market, you'll read it like an open book. Tip 3, mobile alerts. Here's something professional traders rarely share openly. They're always connected to the market, even when they step away. Want to know their secret? Instant mobile alerts. Here's how to set it up. Go to Tools, Options, Notifications. Next, you'll need to paste your unique MQLID here. You can easily find this by opening the MetaTrader mobile app, tapping on the Messages section, and then selecting MQLID at the top right corner beside the search icon. This ID tells MT5 exactly where to send your messages. Once connected, customize your alerts and the market will whisper opportunities directly into your pocket. Now, wherever you are, you'll never miss another profitable move again. Before I reveal the next 2 game-changing secrets, quick question. Are you confident you've chosen the right broker? Because even the best trading tools can't save you from the wrong broker. Check our meticulously researched reviews in the description below and make sure your broker is working for you, not against you. Tip 4, automatic position sizing. Risk is the silent killer in trading, but there's a hidden solution to master it effortlessly. MetaTrader 5 doesn't offer built-in lot size calculations, but I've found something even better, the Automatic Position Sizer EA. Here's how. Download the Automatic Position Sizer EA, link in the description. Place the EA into your Experts folder and restart MetaTrader 5. Set your risk parameters, like limiting risk to just 1 to 2% per trade, and watch the magic unfold. Now, your position sizes adjust automatically, protecting your capital trade after trade. With precise risk management, you'll sleep easier knowing your account is safe. Now, here's the crown jewel. MetaTrader 5's depth of market. Imagine having X-ray vision into the market's true intentions. Here's the hidden insight. Right-click your chart. Select depth of market. Instantly, see a live snapshot of all buy and sell orders at every price level. Imagine spotting where the big money is positioned before price even moves. For example, seeing a massive number of buy orders at a key price tells you exactly where support lies. Use these hidden insights to pinpoint entries and exits with surgical precision. This is more than a tool. It's your secret weapon to staying one step ahead of everyone else. There you have it. 5 hidden MetaTrader, 5 features that could transform your trading overnight. But which one resonated with you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss another secret strategy. And don't forget to visit BrokerCheck Academy through the link below for free resources, comprehensive broker reviews, and to level up your trading today. Until next time, trade smart and trade safe.